The new Bentley Flying Spur S 2026 with 671 horsepower for $420,000. This version of the car has occupied a special niche in the updated lineup, offering the aggressive nature of the extreme model. The exterior of the Flying Spur S is unmistakably recognizable by its black design. All chrome body elements have been replaced with dark glossy details, radiator grille frames, air intakes, window frames. The headlights and taillights come with factory dark tinting, which gives the car a predatory look. The exhaust system with black oval pipes emphasizes the sporty character. Under this aggressive body are massive 22-inch wheels with a sporty profile, from under which powerful red brake calipers are visible. The heart of the car is a 4-liter turbocharged V8 with a twin turbine. This gasoline engine works in tandem with the built-in electric motor directly in the 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Together, they produce 671 horsepower and an impressive torque of 930 newton-meters. A battery with a capacity of 25.9 kilowatt-hours allows you to drive in complete silence on electric power for about 75 to 80 kilometers, which is enough for many everyday urban routes. Despite weighing 2.6 tons, this giant accelerates to hundreds of kilometers in an impressive 3.9 seconds. The main advantage of the S version is the advanced chassis, which is borrowed from more extreme models. The 2-chamber air suspension works in conjunction with adaptive shock absorbers that can instantly change stiffness. The 48-volt dynamic roll control system actively adjusts the stabilizers in turns, allowing this massive sedan to behave like a sports car. The rear axle adjusts. It helps stability at high speed, and when parking, it turns in the opposite direction to the front wheels, significantly reducing the turning radius. The electronic differential distributes power between the rear wheels with the highest precision for a perfect exit from tight turns. The Flying Spur S cabin demonstrates British craftsmanship in every detail. Premium leather is combined with Alcantara on the steering wheel and seats. Carbon fiber inserts or panels made of rare woods add modernity and sportiness. The central part of the cabin is decorated with Bentley's famous rotating display. By pressing a button, the 12-inch touchscreen disappears, revealing 3 analog devices: a compass, a stopwatch, and a temperature sensor. Or, if you prefer, a wooden panel without electronics altogether. The sound system can be standard or premium, Bang & Olufsen, or the top-end 19-speaker Naim system with a capacity of 2,200 watts, which fills the cabin with crystal-clear sound. In America, the Flying Spur S starts at $275,000 and can reach up to $290,000 depending on the configuration. But the real costs start with the Mulliner Personalization Program, where choosing body color, trim type, and wood can add another 100,000 or more. The flagship versions of Speed and fully customized Mulliner models reach $420,000. This is a serious investment, but for this money, you get a unique car that combines British quality, sporty character, and absolute comfort at a level that is accessible only to a select few. Did you like the car? Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.